How's it going, guys? So this is my second 3D printer that I've bought. I still have others that I'm working on building, but and this one, I paid a little bit more for it. Got it on Amazon. It actually came the very next day, even though during the coronavirus everything's delayed like 3 weeks. So I have no idea how I got this that fast, but still, I'm not complaining. And I got this new roll of filament today. So I've been printing these battery holders and then selling them. And I have been selling quite a few of them, so that's good. And this one is, I don't think I've ever heard of Kingroon before, but I love this printer. It's way easier to use than the other one. I'll just show you real quick. So I'm gonna go on here. I already have my files saved right here on this micro SD that I have in the slot there. And it's a nice colored touchscreen, which is very refreshing to use after using the other one. So I just click print here, then I scroll through my list of files, and then I put 4 on in a file so it would print all 4 at the same time. And then confirm print model, and that's it. And this even has an option to pause the print with a resume function that actually works, because on the other printer it has a resume function, but it doesn't work, and that's really annoying too. So yeah, that's what's going on with that. And darn, I guess that's gonna take a minute, but I'll show it printing a little bit later. And then maybe I'll even talk a little bit about making money with 3D printers in general, since that's something I'm interested in, and I imagine there might be some others out there that would be interested in that, since I do talk about investment kind of stuff a lot. But anyway, thanks guys for watching the video, and make sure you hit the like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.